Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the process of checking your BVN on the GTBank app. Follow each step carefully to avoid any mistakes. Let's begin. First, open the GT World app on your smartphone. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once installed, log in using your GTBank account number and password. If you haven't set up biometric authentication, you may need to enter your PIN or password. Next, navigate to the BVN information. On the home screen, locate the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines, or a profile icon, and tap on Profile or My Account. The wording may differ slightly, but you're looking for account-related settings. Choose BVN or View BVN from the list of options. Your BVN will then be displayed on the screen. Remember to keep it secure and private. That's how you can check your BVN on GTBank app. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.